I'm just here with Buddha, that beautiful picture of myself, and this expensive ass candle. I'm gonna light it up. Now that we got this amazing $50 candle lit, I'm going to tell you how I made $10,000 in a month. So that's going to be 30 days I was able to make $10,000. Do you want to know more? You want to know how I did it? I suggest you stay tuned for the rest of the video. You did! Alright people, so I hope you're having a great day, great night, whatever it is, wherever you're at. First thing I'm going to say is, to make $10,000 in a month, this shit is not necessarily easy per se. Everybody doesn't just do this. It's not just going to fall in your lap. You don't deserve it. I don't care what your opinions or your feelings tell you. It's going to require effort. With that being said, I need you to stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to be giving you my entire methodology on how I was able to make $10,000 in a month just using one method. Now, I've been blessed enough to make, much more than $10,000 in a month before, but this is going to be just one method exclusively, making 10 grand, 10 racks in a month. I need you to hit the like button, the subscribe button, all that other good shit because it's about to go up. Okay, so the way I was able to make $10,000 in a month is, drumroll, Discord, aka Patreon. Now, I know some of y'all are thinking, well, how did he get his Discord paid? How you make 10 racks off of Discord? What did you do to offer it? Again, remember, I told you it's going to take some effort. Technically, I made it over 30 days, but it was what I did before those 30 days that got me the money. Watch this video and you think you weren't going to use any effort, or you were just going to get some quick, you don't have to use any effort. It's going to be some shit. We hand you some money, some scamming shit. This ain't the video for you. This ain't the channel for you. But if you down to put in some work and you down to put in some effort, and then, I think within the next few months you can make this shit happen, I think this is for you. Because I'm not going to bullshit you. Everybody isn't going to make 10 racks if you give up, if you quit, if you don't have a following, if you don't put in any effort. Now, over the next course of forever, I'm going to be showing many ways of making bread. So this is just one way. So don't get discouraged and don't get all pissed if this don't work for you. Just hear me out. All right, so with this 10 racks, I was able to use Discord. The first thing I'm going to say is this is going to be easier if you already have an existing following or a skill set of some shit you're already good at. But if you don't have something you're already good at, I suggest you listen very closely. And that is, you need to get comfortable on camera, or you need to get comfortable making a shit ton of content. Now, a lot of y'all who don't know is that I've always been talking to people on how they can be motivated, how they can add value to themselves. And I used to do it a lot on YouTube and show them how to cook vegan snacks, that is, which I will be bringing back on a new channel. But that's besides the point. So I was a chef, and then I said, you know what? I'm making some money. I've been blessed enough to have some good years. I think at the time I was making $60,000, $70,000, so a year. So I'm like, damn, I'm doing pretty good. This is pretty good money. And then I'm like, yo, I want to make a Robin Hood video. After I made that Robin Hood video, nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened. But then, as months and time went on, I guess the pandemic or some shit happened. Boom, everybody's in the crib looking to learn about Robin Hood. All of a sudden, my following starts to go up. I already had following on Instagram though. I already had 20-something thousand on Instagram. So, with that being said, I used both of my platforms. The people on Instagram stopped knowing as much about cooking and started learning about finance. The YouTube people just started learning about finance. I say all that to say, I built the audience. So the first step is build your audience. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I don't have an audience. It's easy for you to say you had followers on Instagram. Trust me, you can build an audience, and I'm going to tell you how. Even if you do have an audience or if you don't, I'm telling you the #1 organic reach platform that I found is TikTok. You need to get on TikTok ASAP, but not just TikTok. Shout out to Gary Vee for giving the ragu, giving the sauce. You got to get on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever you're watching this on, you need to get on all of it, but mainly TikTok. I'm telling you, by posting on TikTok, I'll show you some of my insights on the screen. You'll see right here on the screen, I'm growing thousands of followers over the months. I'm getting tons of likes, engagement. If you were to post on TikTok 3 to 4 times per day, you're going to go up. Now, you got to understand, you're going to have to pick a niche. I'm going to need y'all to pick a niche. Whatever niche you pick, mine was chef, personal chefing. I'm going to show y'all how to grow on how I was able to grow there too. mine was a personal chef, right? So I was a personal chef first, or let's say yours is finance, whatever it is. You're going to go create nothing but chef videos, nothing but finance videos. You're going to keep creating those. You're going to create value, maybe different terms, different crypto coins, different dishes, whatever it is. And then as you get known in that niche and you're posting frequently, all it takes is one video to blow up. All it takes is one collaboration, one duet, you remaking someone's video. You need to keep making content. And I'll give you the sauce, another video on how, if you're in a rut for trying to figure out content. But that's going to be the key right there. Posting on TikTok, it has the most organic reach. That's how you're going to build your audience. Okay, now that you got your audience, you're going to need to give the people a reason to believe in you. When you have an audience, you got to give the people a reason to believe in you. You know, there has to be a reason that they need you. They want to invest in you, give you some money. I'm blessed enough that I was delivering value in multiple ways. I told you I had the Instagram, I was doing the motivation, I was doing the food, I'm teaching people about health, about awareness, meditation, shit like that. You dig what I'm saying? And then on YouTube, I'm helping people make bread. It's a win-win. So then I'm giving them ways to want to work with me. Now, as all these followers were coming, I didn't know, I'm like, damn, do I sell them the cookbook? Do I sell them this and that? So what I did was I simply was like, okay, I took a poll on YouTube community. Hey, should I make a Discord? Would you join it? A lot of people were like, yes, because Discord is the move now, especially when it comes to NFTs, especially when it comes to finance. But I was blessed enough to get the head start, and you can get the head start now too if you begin now. So once you give the people a reason to follow you, you're going to now monetize it with Discord. You could do that by linking it through Patreon. I'll pop that up on the screen. You're seeing that on the screen. As you link it through Patreon with Discord, it's a super simple integration. All your money's gonna be set up. You pick your tier, set everything up. I'm showing you how mine is set up. And each tier, how I broke it down, was worth a different amount of money. I keep everything affordable so that everybody can join. Everything I have right now is under 25, 50 bucks if you pay for the year. So it's smooth. You pick your price points, and then you're going to be able to have certain amount of users sign up as you keep delivering value. Now, when you go on TikTok, you can literally do things. Hey, if I can provide you a certain amount of value, would you be down to join my Discord? People are going to say yes. Look at this video. As you, whether it be YouTube, whatever, you can repurpose the content on all the platforms. Make YouTube content, whatever your niche is. You have your audience. You have the reason why they should fuck with you. Now you got to keep showing them how they can be more like you, how they can get their life together, or how they can do whatever it is they're looking to do by joining this Discord. This is a shameless plug. If you want to join the best Manifest Your Gang Discord, the link is right there below. I mean, it's amazing. We got about 4,000 people in there, and they're all loving, kind, caring, and very fashionable, if I must say. Now that you have the Discord link through the Patreon, I'm telling you, the rest is up to you. This is very new. You know, they have a dope customer support team. The website is, it's pretty bland, but if you know a different way to connect Discord to Patreon or whatever, any other paying platform, do it that way. I don't give a damn. I'm just telling you how I did it. And there's also little hidden links you can do, as you develop your craft, your trade, the more value you can give people, you can do upgrade chats, different in-app purchases that people can do within the Discord. But you got to make sure you feel morally right what you're doing. You dig what I'm saying? You don't want to just make a Discord on bullshit. You want to make sure people like it. They see what's going on with it. I'm showing you my numbers on the board. You see I was able to make money with it, but I was also able to have dope testimonials, dope people that enjoy the product. They love the Discord, and people are in there all the time, even when I'm not. In fact, I'm pretty sure I got some DMs to answer. So with Discord, I was able to grow, but it's only going to come with you putting in effort. Yes, it took me some time. The first couple months I was posting, but guess what? I wasn't doing properly. I wasn't posting on all of the platforms, because as you get shadow banned on Instagram and YouTube, it wasn't booming. But as it started to boom, I started to capitalize on that. So your TikTok post can boom. I'm telling you, if you post 3 to 4 times per day, good content that's actually delivering something that can help, whatever niche. I just watched somebody detail cars. It was incredible. I sat my simple ass there and watched it. It was amazing. You can do whatever the fuck you want, but you got to get to it. Link it up through Discord, man. You see the numbers on the board. I'm putting them up. I made 10 racks in a month. It was amazing. From this desk right here. 10,000 right here from this desk. So it felt incredible. I'm going to be bringing you many more videos on news, different finance, everything about how to make yourself some more money, make yourself better, healthier. You know how the shit goes, man. Add value to yourself, man or woman, you dig? But ultimately, I'm here to get my fellas some second dates, man, and get y'all back into the game, okay? This is how I made 10 racks in a month from the house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave your comments below. Let me know what videos I should make next time. Until then, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.